Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, there is one breaking news from the TCS team. TCS officially announced its direct hiring for the 22-23 batch. And one of the most important point, this is not a NQT exam. This is not a paid NQT exam. This is another other contest by TCS team. So you can easily apply for the opportunity. BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, MSc courses are eligible. Ninja Digital opportunity are there. Test date is 7th January 2023. How to apply for this opportunity? Let's start the video. Before starting, you can check so many good videos on our channel that is related to important updates. So please check. So this hiring is related to TCS HackQuest Season 7 and HackQuest Season 7 Round 1 be held on 7th January 2023. They just mentioned that, but before going on to the details, let's talk about the TCS HackQuest Season 7. Okay, so this is related like hosted by a TCS cyber security unit. If you are proficient in one of the particular skill set, so these are the competition that is by the TCS HackQuest, and the contest is open for 22-23 batch of BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc from all disciplines and the relevant institute in India. Is to disciplines means IT and computer related disciplines with bachelor's and master's degree are eligible for the contest provided that they meet the TCS recruitment criteria. Candidate trained in security domain. If you are if you have training in some of the security domain, application security, network security, ethical hacking, information security and risk management, so they will give you more preference. Participation guidelines is this event is conducted in two rounds. First round is online catch the flag competition where all registered students can participate and they will shortlist for next second round. Okay, this is a individual contest, no team participation is permitted. Once the registration begins, all interested and eligible candidate will require to register for this contest. You have to register with your valid CTDT ID. How you can find on this? How you can find your CTDT ID? You have to go to TCS Next Step portal where you have to click on register on IT segment, not on BPS, and you have to receive your CTDT ID. Most probably 23 batch have CTDT ID because already free NQT is completed. Okay, for the first round, this is the specification for your desktop, internet and browser. For second round, this is related. Okay, and registration is any number of student can register for this contest. Participant should be above 18 year of age and would have completed graduation in the academic year of 2021 22 23. Student can participate in the contest. Registration start date is 11th November. 1st January is the last date. The round first is an online test where you have to log on to an online application where where there are say some of challenges question to test their skills on ethical hacking and their specific competency in security challenge. Means there is some challenges questions related to ethical hacking. The contest is 6 hours long, which participants are required to use their skills to solve challenges and submit the flag captured in the online portal. Post to completion of solving a challenge, participant need to capture a screenshot of flag with time stamp visible and prepare a detailed report in the template provided with a step-by-step approach for solving a particular challenge. This is related and this evaluation is based on flag captured, quality of report submit, approach followed for capturing the flag. So this is the round 1 date and result is 13. Round 2 is related to that and they just mentioned that. So day 1 is related to penetration testing. Activity 2 is HR and MR interview remotely 3 to 4 hours. Okay. So the winner announcement is the top performing candidate who clears second round stand to chance to receive a Ninja or digital offer. Evaluation will be based on your performance only. So this is the reference for tools. This is you can download the site. Okay, how you can register for this contest? The link is in the description. You have to just click on register now. And I already made a good video for all of you on the 2022 batch also, where you can find how is the registration is there. So you have to just fill your CTDT ID, name, email, password, and after that you have to just mention your password, confirm password and register, and you have to log in for that. Okay, they just mention that. So you can easily register for this contest, and where after login you can find all the details. Okay, so this is one of the good opportunity from the TCS team. And if you are there is one good opportunity for all of you. There is one opportunity as intern with the CEO office as Monster, Juno by Monster, chief strategy intern. Location is Bangalore. In office start date is 12 December. Stipend of 30,000, flight ticket, exciting merchandise a week, hotel stay. And they just mentioned that as a chief strategy intern you will assist in driving key leadership project, facilitate communication on behalf of CEO office, nature leadership quality by participating in strategy, idea and execution. So you can participate for this stipend of 30,000, flight ticket, 1 week hotel stay, exciting joining, merchandise. So you can find all the opportunity here. Just go to this link and sign up using Google or Facebook, or just email and apply for this opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.